wonder no go end. Do you know that you can actually upload full book on Amazon using OpenAi ChatGPT? The OpenAI ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI. That being said, I'm not to bore you with stories. Let's just proceed. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to chat.openai.com. Then you will insert all your details there. Then let's look at this. Okay, I said create a catchy title of a book on cryptocurrency. Okay, crypto craze, the ultimate guide to understanding and profiting from the world of cryptocurrency. Then if you are not satisfied with this, you can actually click this regenerate response. You will see another title again. Wow, I love this. This is crypto craze, the ultimate guide to making it big with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This title is unique. I have not seen any title like this before. Then what you just need to do now is you copy this title, then so create a table of contents on this. Okay, now this is really blowing my mind. Like, I'm blown. If you're enjoying this video, if you're getting any value, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now, like right now, and also like this video. I put content on Amazon KDP. Okay. So what is here? You see introduction, what is cryptocurrency, history of cryptocurrency, how cryptocurrency works. Then chapter 2 is basics of cryptocurrency investing. This is unique. Take notes. It is not plagiarized, but don't worry, we are going to confirm that. So the next thing is we are going to copy this now. We copy this introduction, then you paste it here. Then you copy this introduction, then you paste it here, then you hit enter. You can actually use your phone to do this. It's just the same thing. Then what is cryptocurrency? It's going to write it for you. As it's writing, I will go to my Google Doc, where I'm going to be pasting it as a full book. So I just click this blank. Then I'm going to name this document cryptocurrency, or let's just name it crypto and end there. Then I go back to my introduction. Then this is what is cryptocurrency. If you are not satisfied with this, you can actually write something like add more details. Wow, so now this is our introduction. If you don't like this first one, you can actually use the second one. So what you just need to do now is you copy this, then you paste it here. Once you are done with this one, you also do it for the rest. That is for the rest of them. You do it for the rest of them, and you have already created your full book already with OpenAI Chatbot. Now if you think it is plagiarized, let's ask this question. As you can see, no, the information provided is not plagiarized. If you are not still certain about this, you can actually go to duplichecker.com to check this out. So that is basically how to create and upload book fast on Amazon KDP that is not plagiarized. It will be approved fast. And also in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to do keyword research. It's not about uploading books. You might upload 10 books and not see any sales at all. That is just a fact. So that is just it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.